NHOU, protective coatings are the fastest, least expensive way to add safety and value to your vehicle, seeking technological advances to benefit all car owners who are serious about making their vehicles last longer.
All right, guys, we got something really exciting for you today. I got my good friend Avery's 1967 Chevelle SS, and we're gonna be showing you and give you the lowdown on ceramic coating. I mean, let's face it, even me, from all the hype I've heard about paint correction and the high cost, scared me on doing ceramic coating on my own car because I thought I was gonna mess up the car or even mess up the paint or do it wrong. I've been doing car stuff and detailing for years, and I was scared to do my own car. I'm here with Joe from NHOU Undercoating, and he's made ceramics so easy. You can do it at home, and it's very affordable.
There's a lot of hype. There's a lot of hype on the performance as well as the application, and I think a lot of that is to intimidate you perhaps to hiring someone and paying big money to have it done. We trained with a lot of the competition before we actually took this product on. This is developed and patent pending by our chemists, the only product I think made actually in the United States. But it is not complicated. It is actually a fairly simple, easy to do application, and our product is user-friendly.
You know what I think, Joe, what makes it so complicated is you hear all this hype about paint correction. And let's face it, guys, for decades, we've been detailing cars, whether you buff it, polish it, wet sand it, clay bar it, doesn't matter. We've been detailing cars for decades. And all of a sudden now with ceramics coming out, we got this new term called paint correction. And I've been in this industry a long time, and it was even new to me. And all paint correction is people finding the smallest little problem in their paint and trying to make it look better than new. And they're spending thousands of dollars on doing that.
Right, and we'd have to define what a scratch is, because when you clay bar a car, I think I could make the argument that you're scratching it. Bottom line is, you just approach this without the intimidation, just go out, be smart. So you want to use a brand new microfiber washcloth. Use the 2-bucket system. You can look it up on YouTube. One is soap, one is rinse. You want to clean the vehicle off with a microfiber towel only. Then what you do is you decontaminate it. We have a spray here that you decontaminate, which would get any wax residue that's on there. The clay bar is necessary if the vehicle's more than 6 months. This is like exfoliating skin. It'll pull things out of the paint. And the paint, believe it or not, looks like this, the clear coat. That will clean everything out. And then it's very simple. You just apply the product with everything is supplied in the kit here, 5 or 6 drops. You put it on, you wipe it back and forth in a circular motion, back and forth motion, give it 15 minutes, wipe it off, done. You want to apply a second coat, you can.
And what's crazy, Joe, is that during this paint protection that they do, they're using polishes and waxes to get that surface pretty. Then they're going back and stripping everything that they just did off to get it prepped for the ceramic to go on. It just doesn't make any sense to me.
Right. In fact, I have the benefit of a chemist. So when I ask him about the paint correction, and I've seen companies actually walk around a brand new vehicle with a light to find an imperfection to justify a $3,500 job, taking that down, even the smallest layer, just to justify the price, and then add the ceramic coating. The ceramic coating is nano, so it's not giving you a whole lot of UV protection. UV protection is actually gained in film thickness, okay?
And so you're taking that protection off when you're doing this extensive paint correction.
Yeah, you're replacing it with a micro or a nano coating as opposed to what was on there, so you're decreasing your UV protection.
And the cool thing is that little bottle will protect your car up to 36 months, and you could do a full-size vehicle twice and have some left over for maybe even the glass or something. So that's 6 years of protection for a very affordable price.
Yeah, you could go 5 or 6 years easily if you maintain it. You want to avoid car washes that touch your car. So it's hydrophobic by nature. That's one of the benefits of ceramic coating. It's a chemical bond as opposed to a wax sitting on top. Go through a car wash with touchless, and it'll come out spotless.
And you know, the kit comes with everything you need to apply it. And when we come back next week, we're going to show you exactly how you can ceramic coat your vehicle.